Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I just installed a fresh CentOS release, and I got the CDN there, so I'm going to go ahead and do an install. So my version is 7.2, my CentOS Linux release is 7.2.15.11. And I'm going to go ahead and do this as root. That's the way I usually do things. And then I'll set it up, and after that, I will start it again. Okay, it says it's installed complete. And so now I'll go into the browser and set it up so that I can access it and see what it does. Okay, so I pull up a browser and let's do a trial installation. I don't think it should matter with the whether or not we use MySQL or the trial. All right, let me go get my server key. Okay, so I can't copy and paste because it's this version of VM. So I was able to. It does have return characters, and I hope that doesn't matter, but we'll see. No, it doesn't matter. Okay, so after a little trial and error, I just wanted to get a trial license. Since I'm just using a trial database, and this is just an experiment anyways, I think this will be fine. So once this gets through, I'll configure it. And okay, so it got up pretty quick, and it got me onto a page. Let's try it out. We can, first let's go see what our settings are. I don't know what the default settings are. So it looks like on this one we're month day, and so that's a good chance we're going to be set to I don't remember where the other one was. Oh, that's right. It was language configuration. Yeah. Okay, so we already UK, so let's go ahead and set this to English US, because the UK will work every time. And we submit. Okay, so now we're English US. The language settings and general configuration were this. And just as a bonus, under my local user configuration, we're set to Eastern time zone. So we should be good to go. Let's create a new page. I don't think it matters where I create it, so let's hit create. Yeah. Date. Now I'm going to do January 2nd, 2011, and it pulls up February 1st, 2011. That's a fresh install, no changes, no doing anything. 100% reproducible with CentOS 7 and this version of Confluence. Those are the only two things I'm using right now. I can't change either of those. So I can't see how you cannot reproduce it. I mean, if you have it set to international, yes, it will work correctly internationally. But if you had to have it set to US base, it'll work with // That pulls it up right. But if you just type a date, this for US settings, 01 should be January. Let's try 31st. Let's see what it does then, 2011. And it doesn't even recognize that as a date because there's not 31 months. So if I do January 10th, 2016, it'll pull up October 1st, 2016, which is the international way of doing things. I believe the correct way, but irregardless, my user base wants it in the US-based way with the familiar. And so I do believe this is the bug in the product because I can reproduce it from a fresh install, a clean, doing nothing else. So please let me know.